Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a MOTOROLA Moto E15 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on backup and tap on next. Here we have to tap on add account. Of course, if you've got your Google account added to the device, you will be able to choose it from the list. If not, you have to do it right now. So here you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, just tap on it and learn more, and then tap on I agree after reading. Alright, let's choose this account. Here we have to decide what kind of data we want to backup, so photos and videos or other device data like call history or device settings. It's up to you, you can mark both. I'll choose only this one and tap on confirm. Okay, let's tap on manage backup. And here we've got the backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example, remove some unnecessary files. Here we've got the backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, and advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off to avoid some charges. So to finish everything, simply tap on backup now, and as you can see, your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.